They say that comedy is the best medicine. Well, for diabetes, maybe insulin is the best medicine, but I'm gonna argue comedy is a close second. And that's why we're doing this project. What is the Spoonful of Laughter campaign all about? Well, you guessed it. Sugar, blood sugar, glucose levels, A1C. Doesn't that sound hilarious? Okay, maybe not yet, but the Spoonful of Laughter campaign is a national effort to create and inspire to shift us towards a world that is more respectful, inclusive, and empowering for people with diabetes. Comedy can be a cure. It can be an antidote. It can be a solution to a problem that we know affects people with diabetes every single day. And that problem is stigma. Stigma isn't just dumb jokes or offhanded comments about putting that cookie down. It's actually really harmful. It affects the way that people manage their condition and live with this disease. And ultimately, it's making diabetes outcomes worse.
Marco.
You have diabetes.
No, right, yeah.
I'm just gonna go up one.
No, girl, you do remember you have diabetes, right?
I'm a diabetic. This is my insulin pump.
My grandma has diabetes.
We have diabetes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, you guys don't look diabetic.
It's Rachel, she doesn't get it.
Oh! Sorry, I'm trying to destigmatize diabetes. My bad.
With this campaign, we don't want to lecture people into changing their stigmatizing behavior. We don't think that that's going to be very effective. Instead, we want to lead people giggling and chuckling into a kinder and more joyful future. Diabetes stigma is no joke, but we're out to show the world that the antidote has a killer punchline.